Today I'm going to be talking all about Adobe Spark. It can be used by teachers to create lessons and present information. It can also be used by students to show what they know. They can create infographics, flyers, photo collages, videos, and many other things. This one cool feature about Adobe Spark is that it is available on the web. It is also available as an app. While it does have a premium option, the free version has many great features that are available to students to use. So to log on to Adobe Spark, you can use your other accounts such as your Google account, which is what I use to log in, and there's many different options to do that. So to start us off, I'm going to show you some of the different options you can create. So as you can see here, I created a video over critical thinking, but you can also create an Instagram story, an Instagram post, a Facebook post, a photo collage, a presentation, a slideshow as well, and then I think there was one more option, or you can also create a custom size as well. So as you can see, this is where your projects will be, and then also there are some templates available as well. So to start us off, I am probably going to show us how to create a video because that's one of my favorite options here on Adobe Spark. So I'm going to scroll on down to video after clicking the plus button, and it's going to go ahead and ask me for a title for my story. So I'm going to go ahead and do grains. So if I'm presenting a lesson about grains, I could use this to talk about the nutrients available in grains or anything like that. So there's a lot of different templates to choose from. Since I'm going to teach a lesson, I'm going to go ahead and pick this one. One really cool thing as well is that it presents a lot of little tips to creating better graphics and things like that. So I'm going to go ahead and start by picking a theme. I'm going to find my favorite one, and then I'm going to go ahead and change the color. The only downside about this is that there's not many options, like you can only choose what they are giving. So maybe I'll go to this one and I'll pick purple. Actually, I'll pick orange. So to add a different element to our video, I'm going to go ahead and just click this little plus button right in the center. So I can click add text, I can add a photo, I can even add a video as well as an icon. So I'm going to go ahead and add text and put grains for that, and then you can see you can add another element as well. So I'm going to click on that and click on photos. One really cool thing about Adobe Spark is that it has a lot of free photos available already. So I'm going to go ahead and click that and then type in grains and see what is available. So I'm going to go ahead and use that as my background for my first slide. Another cool feature is that you can do a voiceover over it as well, and then it tells you exactly of kind of how you should present your lesson. So a concept, an example, explanation, have the students try it, and then a summary. It does give tips such as don't create a super long one or anything like that. So this is probably one of my favorite features. The biggest thing with this is just kind of taking time to mess around with all of the different options, because a lot of times like the posts are edited differently than the video, which are edited differently than like a photo collage. So it's just important to take time and get to know them all. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.